Hey, let me show you how you can fix that issue when your astrophotography mode is not working on your Google Pixel. As you can see, in my case, everything is fine. I just forced it in my house. So, first of all, you have to just start by opening Google Play Store and go to the search and input that phrase, Google Camera. There we go. And right here, you just have to be sure that you have the latest version of the camera. So just simply download it, and after this, we can just go forward. Now, once it is actually updated, you will have to open it and go into the photo mode. So switch from the video to the photo, go to the night side and click on the left bottom corner. For sure, you have to check if the astrophotography is turned on. Be sure that you switch off timer. And now click on the right bottom corner and switch into the astro mode, like this. Then click on the 5-second shutter, wait for the countdown, and now it's gonna turn into the astrophotography mode. And that's how you can actually force it. Thanks for watching.